Welcome back to the Players Championship. We got 6 games today. I'm in like 23rd. I think I'm like 40 back of 18th, so I got some striking to do today. But overall goal today, have fun, enjoy it, get back to what we're doing, you know? Focus up and just have some fun with it, because why would we be here if we weren't having fun, you know?
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? All right. 6 games.
Patrick Hanrahan unofficially was the number plus 671.
Well, I had fun, and I struck enough the first 3 to survive the last 3, so I guess we get a bonus 6 games. Nice ball.
We'll go to the rest. Packy, rate the shirt.
100. Appreciate it, buddy. We gotta get a picture of it.
Of course.
I mean, I did what I do. I had fun, I made all my spares, and I hit the pocket like 3 times a game. So, it was good. I climbed up 2 spots. I went from 18th to 16th. I can't be mad. Had a good week. 16th at the Players Championship, last major of the year. I mean, I'll take that. I'll take that. We cashing. We get ready for doubles with Mitch Hoope next week.
Let's go.
Stay tuned. Members only videos, something like that on how to use urethane. Add that in there, Matt. Please help.
All right.
And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.